How's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your Bullx with Phantom, and this is actually very simple. At first, you want to head over to bullx.io, and then on the left side, once you hover over this, you'll see something called Wallet Manager. Tap on Wallet Manager. Now, what we need to do is we need to click on this new wallet, sign over here, and once we do, it says it's being generated. So at the right side, we want to click on add wallet over here, and it has to be Solana. And let's name the wallet as Phantom, and then we need enter wallet address. To do that, all we gotta do is open up our Phantom wallet and then click on receive. And then this is our receive link that we'll copy from here. Go to Bullx, paste the address simply and click on add wallet. Wait for it to load up. As you can see, Phantom wallet has been successfully connected and it just needs 3 hours to activate it, but this is on their end, but this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.